In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this default unsubscribe link, how to customize it so that it does not DND the whole contact. Currently, how this thing works is when someone clicks this link, so example it is this email, for all emails they will put this text right here which will allow anyone to unsubscribe. But the problem with this is, even though this thing is very good in the sense that GoHighLevel automatically put this in for us to make us compliant, what is bad about this is when someone use this, it will DND a certain contact. Then we are not able to send one-on-one messages or direct messages to that person, which is bad. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize it so that you can still message them. The first thing that we're going to do is, if we go to marketing and we go to email templates, I will create a blank template and I'll just show you something real quick. So if we go to custom value, there is you go under email, there is this unsubscribe link and it goes, this is the link. This link is the same thing as the default one. When someone clicks on this, it go to a page where they can unsubscribe. So what I did was I just copied this and then I actually went to trigger links and I create this unsubscribe link and I put in the exact link, this one, and I put it in here and then I save. When anyone unsubscribes using this link, it will trigger, and I created a workflow. It looks like this. When the unsubscribe trigger link is clicked, so there's the trigger, unsubscribe trigger link clicked, and the trigger link is unsubscribe link. So now I have a wait step and you check what kind of email DND is it. So basically you will check where this person is in any certain workflows. Okay, so I currently have two. One is the appointment confirmation and reminders, and the other is in marketing where I'll send them email once a month or a few times a week. If they were getting appointment reminders, I have a couple of them here. Actually, this one should be this. Okay, then what happens is I will remove them from all the appointment reminders workflows. I will disable the DND, not enable, disable. It should be DND should be enabled because they clicked that link. So I will disable it and I will give them a tag which is appointment DND tag. Okay, so now they do not want any more appointment reminders. And the other one is if it's a marketing kind of message, then I will remove them from all the marketing workflows. I will give them I'll add a tag of marketing DND and I will disable the DND. And the next thing to do is, now we will go back to say appointment confirmation reminders, and what we need to do here is put an if else. The other thing is I have tags. I have affiliate DND tag, appointment DND tag, marketing DND tag. It depends on what kind of emails you guys are standing up. So this one is appointment. So if it does not include an appointment DND, let me change this. Doesn't have appointment DND, then yes, you go this way. If it has appointment DND, includes appointment DND, has appointment DND, then it will go this side. Okay, so we don't send out appointments. Safe. Okay, and then you want to do it for every single one of your workflows that are sending out emails. Okay, the other thing is marketing, so email and SMS. So the same thing here. You check for DND. If the tags does not include marketing DND, then we'll send them the emails. If it has marketing DND, then we will not send an email. And we also do it for this one. Okay, that's just a quick short video. I don't know if this is the best way to do unsubscribe links, but so far I think this is the fastest, and we can implement it easily for clients. If you have a better way to do this, please let me know in the comments how you do it. I'd like to learn from how you guys do it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.